Welcome to Vibrant Versed. Top 5 Cryptocurrencies in 2021. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, which can confuse anybody who is going to gather knowledge about them. This is the list of top 5 cryptocurrencies based on their market capitalization. Bitcoin. Market capitalization of Bitcoin is over $856 billion. 5 years ago, we could buy a Bitcoin for about $500. As of August 2021, a single Bitcoin's price was over $45,000. That's growth of about 8,900%. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone under a fictitious name Satoshi Nakamoto. As with most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, or a ledger logging transaction distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Because additions to the distributed ledgers must be verified by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. Ethereum. Market capitalization of Ethereum is over $357 billion. In just 5 years, its price went from about $11 to over $3,000, which is an increase of more than 27,000%. Ethereum was founded in December 2013 by a programmer Vitalik Buterin. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met. Binance Coin. Market capitalization of Binance Coin is over $70 billion. Its price in 2017 was just 10 cents. By August 2021, it had risen to over $419, a gain of almost 419,000%. Binance was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. The Binance Coin is a form of cryptocurrency that you can use to trade and pay fees on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Binance Coin can be used for trading, payment processing, or even booking travel arrangements. It can also be traded or exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Cardano. Market capitalization of Cardano is over $69 billion. In 2017, its price was 2 cents, and as of August 2021, its price was at $2.11. This is an increase of over 10,000%. Cardano was founded in September 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum. Cardano is notable for its early embrace of proof-of-stake validation. This method expedites transaction time and decreases energy usage and environmental impact by removing the competitive, problem-solving aspect of transaction verification present in platforms like Bitcoin. Cardano also works like Ethereum to enable smart contracts and decentralized applications, which are powered by ADA, its native coin. Tether. Market capitalization of Tether is over $64 billion. Tether is founded in July 2014 by Brock Pierce, Craig Sellers, and Reeve Collins. Tether is a stable coin, meaning it's backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro. Tether's value is supposed to be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies, and it is favored by investors who are wary of the extreme volatility of other coins. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.